YouTube? It's your girl Nia. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget that post notification bell so y'all don't miss a post. Alright y'all, so in today's video, I'm gonna basically be giving myself a whole glow up because I know it don't look like that bad to y'all right now, but I'm really not feeling it. I just need a new vibe, a new wardrobe. It's just, I don't know. Y'all just know when y'all get in that mood and y'all just feel like it's just, you just want to start over. So that's basically where I am. So in today's video, I'm going to actually be installing some new hair. So here goes our hair right here. It's from Niawigs. And y'all, I did already open it, but I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. So it comes like really secure package. So cute. I'm so excited about these because I did have tape-ins earlier this year and I love them. And I'm so excited to be trying these. It comes in like this little dust bag. And it does, this is so helpful that it comes with extra tape-ins in case, because if y'all don't know about tape-ins, you can basically take them off, take them back, and you can reuse these, 100% reusable. So I'm going to be using these extra tape-ins, so I love that. And they do have hair clips to help me basically do my hair and set it up. Oh! Okay, I'm so excited now because it even comes with a Velcro thing to like put in your hair. So that's so good. Hair clips. Gonna need these. And they basically just have a pamphlet on how to do it. This brand does specialize in micro links and braiding hair. I know if you're like me, I'm honestly allergic to braiding hair. So if you want to get human braiding hair from them, I would 100% recommend it. And this is just a pamphlet about returns and refunds. So if you need one. So let's get into this hair because I did open it up already. I did get 22 inches and 20. And y'all, when I tell y'all, when I seen how many pieces came in this wet, like this is one. This is a lot for tape-ins. Like usually when I order them, I don't get this many, but I have 2 packs of them. So my hair is gonna be super full. And look at this hair. Like, I made sure to get it kind of curly so it'll have a little bit of texture to it because I did do straight hair before and it was just, I like to have a little bit of texture to my hair. And this is the other bundle. As you can see, it comes with so many hair pieces and I'm actually really so excited about this piece because I'm definitely gonna need it. I am gonna try to do my hair by myself, but I think this is gonna be easy. I've actually put in my own tape-ins back in my hair after getting them done. So yeah, I don't think it should be too hard, but I'm so freaking excited. Look at how thick these are. It's gonna be so cute. But what I am gonna be doing in today's video is I also went to go get some bleach for my hair because my hair is like a copper kind of color. So I will be dyeing my hair and I will be dyeing these extensions and I'm pretty sure it looks like it's gonna take pretty well. So I'm super excited for y'all to see the final results. I'm gonna go ahead and dye my real hair and then I'll be back. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to complete this tonight because I have to go somewhere, but we're gonna see how far we can get. So let's go.
Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, stop for me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll for me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby, stop for me, take it to the top of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me, take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Alright y'all, so we're gonna do a little voiceover. So first I just went ahead and split my hair up kind of into parts on how I want to part it. And y'all can see my hair is super short. I got it cut, so you can basically do this with, I want to say, any hair length if I was able to do it. But yeah, I want to say if your hair is basically to your neck or anything longer, it's gonna literally look perfect. But I basically just take the track and I take another track and I sandwich them in between each other to make it thick. So y'all can see I just kind of apply some pressure to it. And in some parts of this you'll see me go, I grab my flat iron and I just basically iron it together. Now personally you don't have to flat iron your hair together if you're not comfortable doing it. But I just do it because I feel like it makes it more secure, and I just keep doing the same method, grabbing some hair, taping it to the track, taping another one in between the track, and I basically just do this for my whole head. Now I will say I did not have a mirror when I was doing this, and it definitely will help you if you have a mirror, because it did come out good, but I feel like my lines could have been a lot more perfect if I was looking back at them. So just make sure you're being cautious of your placement and make sure that your tape ends are not connected to your scalp, because it's not going to be able to go up in a ponytail and it's going to be super uncomfortable. So just make sure that you can flip it and you have like a lot of room and it feels extremely comfortable. Like you should not feel anything in your hair. So for me, this process was pretty easy. It's just basically sandwiching these pieces together. Like I said, I did add like highlights and lowlights, but I will 100% say if you keep your hair black, it will be 1,000 times easier. I was having trouble because I actually did end up having to dye my hair and I did not want to box dye it back black. But the method is super duper easy, and this is my first time, so I'm pretty sure the next time I do it, I'm going to get even better at it. But one thing I would say, if you are going to dye them, be super careful to not dye the tape in tracks, y'all. They were not sticky after I dyed them, of course, because I got water on them. So I had to add on extra tape. Thank God they sent me extra tape. So as y'all can see, if you need extra tape, you just take them, you just slap it on there like that, give it a little push, and then you're going to undo the little tabs after you're done. And you just stick it back on like regular. So the hair ended up blending so good. I was very nervous about the black part, like of the tape and showing, but if you use enough hair to cover it up, you won't be able to see it. And y'all, I'm just so excited with how it looked. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let the hair do the talking for itself. Alright y'all, so this is my final results of my hair. I'm literally obsessed. It blended so good and I decided to just keep it curly because I did like want some volume, but I think it's so freaking cute, y'all. They're so lightweight, I can barely feel them. So the thing that I love most about the tape ends is basically I can wear them up or down, so I get a cute little claw clip moment, and I could do a side or a middle part. As y'all can see, I put my side part in. My middle part is up in here. This would be my ponytail. I would just fix up, you know, my little hairs in the back that I got cut, but this is so freaking cute. Like the cut, the color, like, so I literally gave myself a challenge because I'm not good at doing my hair, so if I can do this, anyone can literally do this method. It only took me like maybe 4 hours because I had to keep stopping and I went to I was just literally taking forever. But I'm pretty sure if you had help, it would be like a lot easier to have another hand. But I did this all by myself with the help of the camera, and I'll let y'all see the back of it. As y'all can see, it's not looking so crazy, but I think it's so freaking cute and I can't wait. It's giving major fall vibes. I don't have to do my hair in the mornings and I'm so excited about that. That's what I love about tape ends and micro lengths, because I'm lazy. Y'all, I'm so lazy. So I'm just gonna be throwing this up in the mornings and clipping this guy just like this and literally going to class. A big special thank you to Nia hair, and as y'all can see, I did bleach it and it's still curly, so this hair is still super soft and I'm literally in love. Y'all make sure y'all go get your tape-ins from them so you can do your own hair just like me. And if you do your own hair, please let me know so I can see it, so I can see how good you're looking. So I will see y'all in the next video.